Welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to show you how you can install WhatsApp using the Microsoft Store as a tool in your Windows operating system. Every time you have to access or you are familiar to open the WhatsApp web in your browser. So the WhatsApp has recently introduced their app for the Windows operating system. If you are using Windows 10, you have to go to your search bar and type, or you can see for the Microsoft Store. You have to open it. To use this Microsoft Store, you have to sign up with your Outlook or the Gmail account, whatever you are easier with. You have to sign up first, or you have to log in first your account to this Microsoft Store. Then you are enabled to download or browse the tools which Windows is providing free of cost or with a cost or with a lesser cost. You have to type WhatsApp in the search bar. The WhatsApp will be pop up here, and the WhatsApp beta will be also available, and many more tools which we were using in our cell phone. Now we have available in our Microsoft Store in the Windows 10. You have to click on this because I have recently installed the WhatsApp where that's why I have the open button available. Whenever you are going to install first time WhatsApp in your Windows, you will see the install button. So the installation already has been done. Now I am going to click on this open button to show you how WhatsApp tool will be look like. This is the WhatsApp tool, and if you want to log in, you will have to click on the get started button. Now you can logged in the WhatsApp using your cam scanner in the WhatsApp available, or you can link with the phone number. That's how you can install and use WhatsApp on your Windows. And let me show you little interface of the WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp GUI or the dashboard of the WhatsApp application. You can call and receive the call using WhatsApp app. This option won't be available in the WhatsApp app that we use to log in or use our browser. You can also have the video call from here, and many more options you have in your WhatsApp app. You can personalize, or you have all the options available which you have available in your WhatsApp on your mobile or your cell phone. This is how you can install and use WhatsApp on your Windows 10. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with your friends, colleagues and students. Until then, stay blessed, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.